Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made over $2,500 with GetUpside this month, or the other day when I went to fill up gas. I just cashed out over $2,500 with GetUpside. If you haven't yet started using GetUpside, I highly recommend using GetUpside. It's a cash back app for gas. So every time you go to fill up gas, you get cash back and it adds up and it can lead to a lot of money. Another thing is they have a referral program, which I'm gonna urge you to use, which I know what you're thinking. Dylan, I don't wanna refer my friends to sign up for some dumb app. First of all, if you use the app, you believe in it, it works. Second of all, it's the easiest sell in the world. Everybody buys gas, and well, unless you own a Tesla or an electric car, or if you can't afford a car. But if you have a car and you're buying gas, you're already doing, like, you can already use the app, and it's the best app for cash back on gas. You can combine it with your credit card points too. If you get points on your credit card every time you fill up gas or cash back on your credit card, you can do both. You can use GetUpside. Credit card has nothing to do with each other, so you know, GetUpside even said, you know, double dip, who cares? They said you can do it on the I think either on an interview with the Rideshare Guy or on their channel. But regardless, sorry. Just saying, use the link down below to sign up for GetUpside, and then if you want to also refer your friends, you can also start doing what I do and just get a lot of cash back. So here we go. I'm gonna show you guys how it worked, and I'm gonna show I actually got the money in my bank account. So here's my app, GetUpside. Just want to walk you through the process. So currently, it's not my address. I'm sitting in a random parking lot of my gym. So currently, these ones actually have 25 cents back per gallon on these ones. I know usually say up to 25, but all of these ones actually have 25. As you can see at the top here, I get $2.85 back per gallon. That's a bonus from people who use my code. But so that plus the original one is $3.10. So you can do the math. That's 25 cents. So an additional. So that's pretty good. But the way it works, guys, is, so I'll just go to my, so $2.85, and you can fill up to 50 gallons. Usually what I do is I just fill up people's gas tanks. I want to see if I have, what's that one girl's name? Aubrey? I ended up getting this one girl's number who I filled up her gas tank. Was that her name? Aubrey? Yeah. I texted her. Maybe I shouldn't expose these texts, never mind. Basically, I usually go and fill up people's gas tanks so I can do the full 50 gallons. And usually what I do is I just buy people gas. I filled up this dude's truck. It was like 20 gallons, and that's a worker actually filled up his gas tank too. But anyways, the reason it's 50 gallons is because when you get cash back, it's up to 50 gallons. So if you get more cash back than the gas actually costs, sorry, this probably makes no sense, but if you get more cash back than the gas actually costs, you're incentivized to actually use the full 50 gallons. So I'll go into my history really quick. And I'll just show you. This was the other day, July 16th. So that was 4 days ago. Their app's a little wonky, I know. Actually, their app is not, like, they could use a lot of work on their app, but it gets the job done. So I got so it's 23 cents back, cash back, plus I think I got like 50 something dollars back per gallon. So I ended up I used a full 50 gallons of gas. And you actually have to use the gas, so that's why you can't just pay for it and leave. You actually have to fill up other people's gas tanks. So I got $2,591. And then that just went straight into my PayPal account. By the way, it's super easy to use. I should probably walk through how to actually use it. Once you get to the gas station, you just click, you have to go to one of these gas stations. You can't go to any random gas station. Go to one of these gas stations, let's say click claim, and then once you get there, it says you need to purchase between 4:12 and 8:12. So they give you 4 hours, you go there, and then you just upload your receipt or check in. Sometimes it's a little bit different. Offer valid for first 50 gallons of gas purchased. That's where it shows that. Yeah, I mean, they don't even have a space like at the bottom. Regular grade gas price, like there's no space in between there. Like the app is not super like great, I have to say. Oh yeah, I did want to say on my PayPal, I want to go into my PayPal, and this is what I got the other day. I got $2,616. That was the money. That was the money from GetUpside plus money from my referrals. I know it's weird. There's a lot. So you get money from when you fill up gas, then you also get like money every day. So I'm just gonna unclaim that because I'm not gonna do that right now. You get money every day from like your people filling up gas every day. Yeah, I have 3,165 referrals so far. I'm trying to get that to like 10,000, but anyways, oh yeah, plus earn 1 cent. So once you refer somebody, you get an extra 15 cents back per gallon plus 1 cent every time they fill gas up in the future. So I honestly encourage you guys to do that as well, just so you can take advantage of this. Oh yeah, and then I got the money into my PayPal, and then I also want to confirm that I did get the money into my bank account as well. So as you can see here, this is my bank account. Let's see. This was it. This was my bank account transfer. It's not fully there. Just says 2,616 bucks. But yeah, that was from the PayPal transfer. So I did want to confirm that I did get the money. But yeah, honestly, this is my favorite app right now, I have to say. I know I should have mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but this is like one of my favorite apps that exists right now. I know a lot of people aren't using it, but like, I think it's fun because the more people you refer, the more you're gonna get to fill up gas, like the more cash back you get to fill up gas. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Just try it out once. Try it out, fill up gas once, and if you like it, great. If you don't like it, you don't need to pay anything. It's a free app. You don't need to put in your credit card information. The only time you do is if they want to use it to like verify your purchase. Oh yeah, I did also just want to share with you guys that once you do get cash, you don't have to do it through PayPal. You can do it through Amazon too. Oh, and I just got an email today as well that GetUpside is now going to be able to transfer it to your bank account too. Let me see if I thought I got an email from them saying that. Yeah, updates to app functionality, including the ability to cash out via bank transfer. I'm excited for that because going from PayPal to my bank is like, it's just one less extra day, honestly, that I have to wait. Because actually, the other day, it took like 3 days to hit my PayPal account, which I was like checking every hour. So if it goes straight to my bank account, it'll honestly probably get there faster. That way I can put it into my savings account and then, you know, start making more interest on that. But anyways, guys, that's it. That's all I want to share with you guys. That's GetUpside. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye.